On today's video, we're making a glazed smoked ham on the pellet grill. I know ham is a favorite around my house, around the holidays, and this is the perfect ham for me to cook. If you want to cook one of the other ones, you cook one of the other ones. I'm cooking a spiral cut. I really love it because, well, to be honest with you, my knife skills don't have to be that sharp. So hey, let's get this thing rubbed up and let's get it on the cooker. Now the great thing about these is they come pre-cooked. They're done. You could literally start eating this thing just like it is. I want to put some smoke on it. I want to get some seasoning on it. And I'm going to glaze it with our raspberry heat when we're done. Super simple, super easy, and it doesn't take that long. You're talking maybe 2 hours tops at 250 degrees. Plenty of time to suck down a couple beers. For this one, I'm going Killer B. This is how I learned I had to rub stuff, especially the spiral cut ham, because you don't want to lay this thing on its side. Now, a little bit of Dirty Bird. So we have the Traeger running at 250 degrees. Like I said, this isn't going to take long. What I'm trying to do is, obviously, get it up to temp. I just want to get some smoke on it, get the rub settled in, and then we glaze it. This is how I transport my hams. Boom. Now don't touch it. And now, we put her to sleep. Like I said, a little bit of smoke, a little bit of glaze, a lot of love, best ham of your life. All right, so it's been 2.5 hours. Freaking ham looks amazing. Thank me later for this one. I can just imagine it right now. Some toast, a little bit of cranberry, a little bit of ham, a little bit of spicy mustard. Come join me. Oh, look at that baby son. That's what I'm talking about. Be like, alright, so it's been right at 2 hours and 45 minutes. We got us a nice glaze on it. Dang it. Hold on. Got the Butula, the original. You know, just sit and just stare at it for a little bit. Right here. There you go. Oh man. I should do a little. Dude, this smells freaking awesome. All right, so now we try it. Damn. That is the best ham I've ever had. No. I'm dead serious. You want to try it?
That raspberry.
That raspberry, man. Oh, I better quit. If you're looking for a fast, easy recipe this holiday, make this one. Ham is not hard, super easy. Raspberry heat takes it to another level. The Killer Bee, you get the sweetness, and then a little bit of that salty of the Dirty Bird. Phenomenal. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe right here, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes. Print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. I flipped them off. I don't know why I did that. Man, I wish we had some rolls or something. You hungry, little dude?